bounty hunter!
Alright, today's bounty is the bounty himself. Right? His charges, or is he missed court? He bail jumped and not absorbent enough. That little prick is going down.
Go on.
Does anybody have any information
Where's
on
his
him?
location?
I don't know, you guys have the papers, you tell me.
They're blank!
We have nothing.
Oh, are they? Okay, the only information I know is that she's homeless. She has no address.
She?
No. He, she, I don't judge. It, okay. So,
Let's go.
let's go.
I need paper everything.
Alright, got some new info on this bounty. Say her nickname, or his, whatever. Nickname is the Quicker Picker Upper. So now we have to yell out the bounty, the Quicker Picker Upper stuff, you know what I mean? Let's look around, see if she was last night here, so let's look around here.
Hey, there it is.
No way!
Great.
Oh my god!
It's getting away. No.
You tried to be fast, man. It's alright. Wow!
There it is.
Look! There it is!
What?
Oh, where did...
There it is.
Alright, this is me and you, Bounty. This is for everybody that you killed on my team. This is Sparta! You little stupid mother...
The bounty hunter!